Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up wearable health metrics for insurance incentives with Fitbit step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Fitbit device is fully charged. Download the Fitbit app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the Fitbit app and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts in the app. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Select your Fitbit device from the list of available devices. Make sure your device is synced with the app by tapping the sync button. After syncing, navigate to the health metrics section of the app. Here you'll find metrics like heart rate, sleep patterns, and activity levels. Review the data to ensure everything has been recorded accurately. Next, look for an option to export your health metrics. Some versions of the app allow for data export directly. If yours does, select the Export Data option and choose the format you prefer. If the app doesn't have this option, take screenshots of your metrics for manual documentation. Create a dedicated folder on your computer or cloud storage for these health records. Transfer the exported files or screenshots to the designated folder. Check your insurance provider's requirements for health metric submissions to understand what's needed. Compile all necessary documents and health records needed for submission. File these documents in the folder with your health metrics for easy access. Once everything is organized, contact your insurance provider for the submission process. Follow their specific instructions to submit your metrics for incentives. Regularly back up your data to ensure you maintain an up-to-date record. Repeat this process every few months for consistent monitoring and submissions. Stay motivated to maintain your health metrics by setting personal goals in the Fitbit app. By following these steps, you can effectively back up your wearable health metrics for insurance incentives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.